Good afternoon, Buccaneers. It's a match day, another opportunity to witness mob justice football delivered by Chief in Mob Justice Football coach Jose Luis Rivero. Having to play 4 games. Impressive. WWWW, it's a maximum win, which makes us to have 12 points. So now we're going to our 5th game. What is it that we're going to look at? I'm saying, Buccaneers, please don't cook today, because at 7:30 we have our free supper, which will be Amazulu today at Orlando at Godini. Tickets are selling at 60 Rand. Ticket Pro nationwide. That's include your spa, BP, and so forth. So to all the branches of Orlando Pirates, Bakerton, Nigel, Delmas, Greater Midrand, Greater Soshanguve, Hamaskral, and all that I couldn't manage to mention at this video. I'm saying travel safely, arrive at Escodine. You might be at the center line, behind the cameras, behind the pole, and so forth, where you want to go and sit. So let's go and enjoy this game. So now let's just look into the player to watch on form. First, it's a coach Jose Rivero, whom we are going to watch into, because we are expecting him to win his 5th game in a row. Let's look into Sipochaine. Sipochaine just considered one, so now we are looking at Sipochaine that has to keep another clean sheet after an impressive performance against SuperSport United. Let's look into Kabelo Dlamini, into the midfielder. That's another player that we're also looking on, and ensure will he have an impact into this game, because on the last 4 games he had 2 goals and 2 assists. Last and not least, it's Monapula Salem. Will he be able to score in the 90 plus? But let's just include one as evidence, Mahoba, because he got 3 goals. Will he be able to score his 5th goal today? Sonke says, let's go and witness mob justice football. Once a pirate, always a pirate.